Welcome to Tapforms Pro. In this video, I'll show you how to create pick lists. Pick lists are just small pieces of information that you can assign to any of your fields. For example, a list of countries, a list of provinces, a list of cities. I'm going to show you that now. To show your pick lists, click on the Form button in the toolbar, and then click on the Pick Lists button here. Pick lists can be associated with the entire document or with just a specific form. We're going to create a new pick list here for just this form. Click the plus button here and then give your pick list a name. I'm going to call it countries. And then down below here, this is where you specify all the values. Click on Add Values and then type in some values. So Canada, Alberta, British Columbia, Manitoba, Saskatchewan, Ontario, Quebec, and so on and so on. United Kingdom, Scotland, Edinburgh, and so what we're showing here is how to create cascading pick lists. That means that when you click the Done button here, Tapforms is going to take all of these values and create a hierarchy out of them. So I simply press the Tab key in between to get each level. If I wanted to go one level further, I would and put in cities, Calgary, Edmonton, say British Columbia, Vancouver, Manitoba, Winnipeg, Saskatchewan, Regina, Ottawa, Toronto, Montreal, and so on and so on. When I click Done, you'll see what Tapforms has done is it's created this hierarchical list of values for you. Okay, so now that you have all the values in there, we need to assign this pick list to a field. So we go to our Fields tab and we'll select Country and we'll assign the country's pick list to the country field. But now, in order to make the cascading work, we will click on Province and we will also pick the country's pick list. But this time we'll choose a parent field, and the parent field will be our country. And then for city, we'll also select the country's pick list. And this time the parent field will be the province. So now we can see here, when I click on the country pick list, I have 3 countries to choose from. And then on the province pick list, I have the provinces to pick from. If I select Alberta, now the city, I have the choice of Calgary or Edmonton. If I change the country, United Kingdom, and then the province, say England, and then the city, now I see London. And that's how cascading pick lists work. It's pretty straightforward. But what you can also do with pick lists is you can assign colors. For example, for Canada, I might want to assign the color red. For the United Kingdom, I'll assign the color blue. In the United States, I'll assign purple. So now what we see here is when I click on country, I have these three colors to choose from. And that's basically how pick lists work.